Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, say, with all the lie where them tell and all the things where them go on with, them couldn't tap Jesus for do what him come here for do. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, now is a very good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what are going on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 27 from verse 62 to verse 66. The next day, that are the Sabbath day, the head priest them and the Pharisee them meet up together in front of Pilate. Them say, "Sir, remember when the old liar did still alive? Or in when say, after 3 days, me go come back alive. So tell them, sir, for make sure say the tomb guard good till the 3rd day. So him follower them no come take away him body and tell the people them say, him come back alive. If them say so and trick up people, that the lie would have worse than the first one when he did claim say him are the Christ. So Pilate said to them, say, take one group of soldiers to go guard the tomb and make sure say they guard it the best way they can guard it. So they left go away with the soldier them and they mark the stone so they would have know if nobody move it. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.